How you can factory reset any Acer monitor. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. If your Acer monitor has problems like wrong colors, bad settings, or a black screen, don't worry. First, let's try the normal way using the monitor's menu. Turn on your monitor, press the menu button to open the on-screen display. Use the arrow buttons to go to System or Settings. Now choose Reset or Factory Reset and press Enter. When it asks you to confirm, just say yes. Your monitor will now go back to the original settings. If your screen is black or the menu doesn't work, try a hard reset. Turn off your monitor and unplug the power cable. Wait for about 5 minutes. Then press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Now plug the cable back in and turn the monitor on. This might help fix the problem by resetting everything inside. Some Acer monitors like the Acer VG240 have a special way. Turn off the monitor, press and hold the menu button. While still holding it, turn the monitor back on. When the menu shows up, let go of the button. Then go to Factory Reset and press Enter. Say yes when it asks to confirm. The monitor will restart with default settings. If you're not sure, check the manual that came with your monitor. And that's it. That's how you can factory reset any Acer monitor.